Russia has reportedly offered R-37M hypersonic long-range missile to Indian Air Force to equip its fleet of Su-30 Mki fighter jets. Known for its range of 300 to 400 kilometers, it is one of the most formidable beyond visual range missiles in the world. According to report from Izvestia news outlet, Russia has begun mass production of new multi-launch attack drone designed to deliver multiple grenade strikes from the air. Designed for targeting unarmored vehicles and enemy personnel, the drone has completed field trials in Special Military Operation Zone. A drone strike has reportedly targeted Kronstadt plant near Moscow. The facility is one of Russia's most modern UAV production center, manufacturing long-range reconnaissance and strike drones including Orion and Inokodets systems. The Indian government has officially approved implementation of Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft Stealth Fighter Program. This approach is part of Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative, which seeks to strengthen India's strategic autonomy through domestic industrial capabilities.